In this video, I'm going to show you how to remix in FADR. Now, this is actually very simple. All you have to do is you want to go to their website and then sign up for an account, or of course sign in if you have one already, and then hover over create up top left, and then here you want to click on remix. Now, to do this here, you have to first upload your song. So for example, I have a sample song over here. I'm going to drop it in here, and it's going to go ahead and start uploading it and analyzing it. Now, this usually takes from a few seconds up to a few minutes, depending on how long and how complex your song is, and it's going to start stemming over here. And as you'll be able to see, it's actually going to be very simple. It's going to give us a few tracks here. There we go. As you can see, these are now the stems, and I can of course go ahead and you can go ahead and change these if you want to, and it's going to start converting into MIDI here, and it's going to say choose a genre for your new remix. For example, I'm just going to do, let's just do funk for this tutorial. There we go. And then it's going to start loading everything, and when you're ready, you could also click on more options. You can choose parts from the original song to include, so I'm going to just include all of them for this tutorial, and then click on the remix, and it's going to say, as you can see, it's going to say please remove at least one original part, so I have to do that. I'm going to remove the bass here, and I'm going to click on remix, and there we go. It's now remixing the song, and whenever that's done, I'll be able to of course listen to it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.